channel. In today's video I will be making quick and easy soft and fluffy cornbread. It's one of my favorite, guys, so I hope you will enjoy. So let's get started. So here, my lovelies, the ingredients are 1 cup yellow cornmeal, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1/3 cup sugar, brown sugar, guys. I love using brown sugar, very rich. 1¼ cup whole milk, or you can use buttermilk. I am using buttermilk, guys. 1 large egg and 3 tablespoons unsalted butter melted. Preheat your oven to 400. So here I have a 8-inch round cake pan, guys, already warmed up in the oven. So I will add to the pan 1 tablespoon butter, and 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. I will return to the oven to continue warming. Now add to a large bowl 1 cup yellow cornmeal, 1 cup flour, baking powder. Combine all the dry ingredients, salt and sugar. Combine. Mix well, guys. The brown sugar is a bit lumpy, so let's get all these lumps I just love using the brown sugar in this, guys, but you can use whatever your preference. Now I will set this aside and combine the wet ingredients. Buttermilk, so rich, guys. Butter, and 1 egg. So let's combine. So now I will remove the pan from the oven. Now I will add to the dry ingredients. all this buttermilk from the bowl, guys. So I will now add this to the pan. So let's pour out the batter, guys. Let's pour into the pan. There are plenty to scrape, guys, so let's get everything out. So now we will go over to the oven. Now let's bake for 18 to 20 minutes. So here we are, guys, beautifully done.